Hey, yes, see. Ah, man, don't want you, but say, me couldn't be free once and be free more. Ah, oh, be so me more, I'm so more. Ah, yes, sing it there. Oh, my son, when I die, everybody say, my sorry is one sorry. But so be our queen in you. One a best show. One a best wow. We do to my child cry. We do support child cry. We do seminar. Utu. Baby, I'll queen ya make cow. On your kissing. Ah. Oh, pass no me what the man don't you bury me any day. Ah. Na say ne ko busia for. Omo Jimmy Prebro. Na swende. Esho no mu yemi. Ah. Bisnumo picheme. Ah. Ene ya mama she pabwa. Me de night to phone. Ye drum me naked na me nam krom. When na ye see me na me cool. So me do for pa. Me no net done sorry. You know I won't cry. I don't know me cool. When in a say, oh, I don't see a yimity in now, but when he said, Oba, Yenimon Yami Yetiri. Oh, made in a saco, my Adriani Papa me. Ya mammy Adriani and free and near mu, I did a more. I no crying down chain, your mammy da baby has a wooful chain. And no senior baby, I can catch a form. Your mammy to my your mammy, pa your mammy she. Me don't say, Nadia, Nadia, sir. Well, what's your for Bammy damn honor? What kind of Marco? Yes, sir. That's a man started to pay on with the Mukoshe many just for me to cry. This is so appalling. And also, as if that is not enough, they give me this concoction that was used to party, and they tell me to drink. If I refuse to drink, that means I'm the one that killed you. Because of the love I have for you, I always drink it. Why am I doing? Why am I doing? Why am I doing? But so did me one of us shall Corano. When now one of us shall Corano. After this, an older woman in the village would tie a stone in a cloth and put it around my waist, which signifies that I'm in a painful situation, so I need strength to withstand all this process. A weak person cannot go through, because some people die through this process. Some people get traumatized. Some people are still living with those bad views and bad memories in their head. After that, they'll tie a key in a red cloth and put it around my waist. And the key has to directly be on my vagina, which shows that my husband has no authority over my womanhood again. He is seized for coming to me. And on the day of his burial, say you do chronetifia, ye mamu kobi, ye de kutu iba swami day. Say you do chronetifia, me we say ni pa so me kobi. I can see my husband going to be buried, but I can't see his tomb. I can't see where he's being laid. I can't even see his face. When I get to the southern part of the tomb, the Queen Mother will give me this thing and tell me that this contains 2 stones, 1 white stone and 1 black stone. What I am to do with it is that I'll remove the white stone from the pot, then smash the black stone with the pot and say my last words to my husband. So today, I stand here, Mensa David Wilson, Ato Kwawukwe, Nesamendo, Midopa, Nemo, Kuba Tutu Trede, Boninko, Napapombra, and Inti Meno, Atambia Payamubia, me Pino. This signifies that I have nothing to do with my dead husband again. Whatever we had is gone. Yes, I believe in customary rights, but some of these rights violate our rights, our health, and it's not fine. How can you say that I killed my husband? Even if I did, do you have the authorities? We don't know the meaning of these rights, but if we are being taught why we are doing it, the reasons behind it, at least we will do it willingly. But here lies the case, we are not told the story behind all these stories and the rights we are doing. Therefore, some of us do it without our will. Therefore, I call upon the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Human Rights to come to the aid of these women, especially those in the rural areas, to educate them on the health issues and the health risk on these rights. Thank you.
Wow. Wow. Away, bamway, anina midamo, midano. Away, bamway, anina midamo, midano. Uweja mi fa bontin kwaya odi ehia Uweja mi fa fisiri kwaya odi ehia me. Away, bamway, anina midamo, midano. Abena due, have my sympathy. Thank you for educating us, and thank you for the practice that you really show that you are a widow, that you are performing the right. Thank you very much.
You did so well.
Thank you.
Abena. Today, you've given us a performance like no other. You've done extremely well. Your